Hey guys, Dave from Beta Knowledge. So in this video we will see how you can install Python and the required packages to perform data science. So in the first part we'll see how you can install Python, and later on we'll see the packages that are required to perform the operations. So here's a link that you have to go through. So if you click on this one, you will redirect to this page. If you scroll down, you can see Windows, Mac and Linux. So just select whichever operating system you're using. So if you select Windows, you can see Python 3.7 and 2.7. This will be common for all the operating systems. If you're already familiar with Python 2.7, that's totally fine. You can install that one. Or if you're using Python 3 version, you can install this. Only the minor changes like print and other minor things are different in these two things, so it's not a problem. But it's recommended to use latest version, that is Python 3.7, as especially for data science those libraries are improved and updated. So, and also if you want to do computer vision, the latest library is improved in this one. And you just select whichever operating system you have, 64-bit or 32-bit. It's recommended to have a 64-bit system, as most of the operations are like compatible with the 64-bit systems. So just click on this one, it will be downloaded into downloads. Just install that software. After that, you have to check whether you have installed it correctly or not. Just check the Python version. Just type Python as version. You'll see the Python version that you have installed. If you are using Linux, you can type Python 3 version. You can check both the versions that you have installed. And also don't worry if you have just selected Python 3.7 version while installing this software. Later on you can install Python 3 also inside that one, so that's not a problem. You just have to select this one correctly, 64-bit or 32-bit. And later you can if you there are two ways you can install these packages that I have listed here, numpy, pandas and scikit-learn. So one is through pip and another is through conda. If you have not installed conda, you just follow this pip. So yeah, just if you are using direct normal pip version of installation, you can just type pip install, and that package name such as numpy pandas is there, right? So just type numpy. So if the package is already installed, don't worry, that will show a requirement already satisfied. So it won't rewrite or overwrite anything, just checks if the latest version is installed or not. Then if you are using conda, just type conda install and the package name. As I'm not using anaconda, I can't type it here. So it is recommended to use conda install numpy instead of pip if you are using anaconda. So the like compatible packages will be installed automatically, you don't have to worry about that. After installing everything, just check, just type just type Python and type import. Sorry. So if it is successfully importing that package, then you are sure that it is installed. Else if you are getting any error or something, just go through that manual or just install it again. Yeah, if you have any doubts, please comment.